Hey guys, it's Bob at Turn 4 Automotive in Gray, Maine. Welcome back. We're with the 2020 Ford F-150 project. We haven't named her yet, but we got to get a mod on this thing. Ever since I've been looking at these trucks, I knew I wanted the 5-liter. I knew what I wanted for a vehicle, but it was this one thing was killing me. I hated the look of this thing. It's this huge yellow clear coolant bottle that sits on top of the motor. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. So we got to get rid of that. Thankfully, Cobb, JLT, a few other places make bracket covers for those. Mitsubishi makes a new bottle. We got the Cobb cover. We're going to put that on today. 3 days of ownership. We're already modding. What else are we going to do today? We're going to do window visors, WeatherTech window visors, WeatherTech 3D floor mats, WeatherTech underseat storage system. We're going to put on, we've already tinted the windows. That happened day one. And we also got a tonneau cover and tailgate letters put on this thing. So day one of mods, 6-7 things to do, and we're gonna pump it out real quick. So first we gotta fit our film for this. So they said just to take a razor blade. You're gonna line up the crosshatch and the film. You're gonna just cut on the side. So we put our piece on a felt. Now we just gotta pop off our 2 hoses. They say these clamps are simple. Pop the coolant hose off. I'm gonna pop the other coolant hose off. Now you just gotta drop out 2 10mm bolts. After the bolts are out, slide your coolant tank cover into place. Going to go right underneath the bottle, and you just put your bolts back in, hook your hoses back up. Pretty simple install, way better look to the front of the truck. And now we'll move on to the next mod. We're going to move to the inside now. We have WeatherTech's underseat storage system for the rear seat. We're also going to install WeatherTech 3D floor mats in the front to give this truck a full round look. XL model truck. We still want to keep the floors clean, keep everything safe. If you spill anything, you want to be able just to pick it up and dump it out. So we use these high quality, made in the USA WeatherTech floor liners on every vehicle we have here in the shop. So install is easy. Just put them right in place. They laser cut and measure to the floor. These are the 3D floor mat where this vehicle has the vinyl floors. I wanted the bottom of it to bite into the floor and actually give it some traction. So 3D floor mats going in our 2020 F-150. Oh. Like a glove.